Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from RV Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today I'll be unboxing Whiskey Smoke by Beardo. Okay, it's a Indian brand, and soon the entire review video will be onto my channel. And stick around, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon button to get honest review videos. And let's see what we have here. Beardo by Whiskey Smoke. Whiskey Smoke by Beardo. Okay. There you go. Whiskey Smoke by Beardo. Looks nice. The review will be onto my channel, and subscribe, hit the bell icon button.